Under the boughs where the shadows
বিশ্বজিৎ স্যার
the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines secrets
হেল্প করে
untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep